Okay, we're going to check this Home Chef here. I don't know what happened here, but I've got pork, and this is supposed to be chicken breast. So either I ate the chicken on someplace I was supposed to have pork, and I got pork here. So this is going to be pork breast and cherry Demi instead of chicken, because my ingredients is my pork, my cherry preserves, panko, goat cheese, chicken Demi sauce, and butter. All right, here we go. Okay, so put the broccoli, same routine, couple tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper. We're going to stick it in the oven for 20 minutes, and now I have to prepare the chicken, which is actually pork. Little olive oil, salt and pepper. Now I got to coat with panko. Okay, little olive oil in the pan. Pork's coated. Going to get that in here. Not as much sizzle as I would have liked. Might should let that heat up a little bit. It heated up. It's got a little sizzle. I kind of wanted the immediate. Got to be careful with olive oil though. You don't want to get it too hot because you can kind of burn olive oil. All right, so we'll cook that 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Broccoli is in there cooking. Okay, chicken or pork chops done. Got my glaze sauce. I just put 2 things in there. A little water, some of that what was it? Cherry jam and demi glaze. Some of this for 2 minutes, they said. It smells kind of good. Oh, look at that. So I turned down my heat. It's a little bit more than a simmer. Wanted to slow down that little simmer there. Just thickening that up. Broccoli should be about done. Yeah, it looks like it's brown and toasted. Pull that broccoli out and plate it. Sprinkle some goat cheese on it afterwards. Oh, I got to add the butter to that once I pull it off. Hang on. Got to pull that off and then add butter, I think. Okay. Broccoli's out. Put a little goat cheese on it. Got my sauce there with a little butter. Cream sauce. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Man. Nice. And of course, got to finish it up. A little crushed red pepper. Oh, look at that. Now that looks nice. Alrighty. I'll take a bite and come back. Oh, man, that's good. This has got to be my favorite so far. Really, even though I made it with pork instead of chicken, because I probably cooked the chicken when I was supposed to use pork. So that's the chicken breast and cherry Demi. But I used pork, and it is freaking scrumptious. Woo, doggies. All right, pulling that there.